All right, hi everyone. I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible, and I want to leave it up to you to figure out how to do this assignment. What we're going to be dealing with is inserting stuff into Word, and you can insert all sorts of stuff into Word, and it's probably more things you can insert than we have time to cover. So I thought I'd throw this one at you, and I'm going to ask you to go through this worksheet and insert a bunch of stuff into this Word document. There's a few that are really tricky, so I'm going to help you with a couple of these. So this will save you some time. So here's the assignment for the week, and the first one that I want to show you is inserting screenshots. So that's the second item here. But what I want you to do is you can go ahead and put your cursor right underneath the paragraph that has your instructions. So this is saying open up your browser and go to your favorite site and take a screenshot of the browser window and put it under this paragraph. Now this is a really cool feature in Word, and it'll save you a lot of time if you have to do a lot of screenshots, if you have to put a lot of screenshots into a Word document. But it takes a little bit of finagling to get it to work just right. So the trick is that you have to go to where you want to take the screenshot or what you want to take the screenshot of. So let's say, for example, I want to take a screenshot of something on this page in Blackboard. So what I have to do is I have to pull up this window. This is the window that I want to take a screenshot from, and then I'll go back to Word. So how this works, it's a little bit strange, but how this works is if I go to Insert here, the Insert tab, you'll see the Illustrations group right here, and you should be able to choose the Screenshot option right here. So what we're going to do is choose Screen Clipping. Okay. So I'll go ahead and click that, and it will take me back to the previous window that I was looking at before I came back to Word. So that'll take me back to the browser here. And then right here you'll see that the screen gets kind of dimmed out and I get these crosshairs. So this is where I can, let's say I needed to take a screenshot of just this right here and insert that into my Word document. So I go ahead and use the mouse to drag over the area that I want my screenshot to be. And once I let go, it magically gets inserted into Word at the spot where I had my cursor, like so. Now the great thing about this is that what we've been doing before is we've been using the snipping tool. So we'd have to open up the snipping tool, take a screenshot, save the screenshot to a file, then come back to Word and then insert the screenshot. But this saves you some steps. I mean, you can do it right into Word. So this is a really handy feature. So that'll help you get through that problem. Now the other one that I want to show you is, let me just check and make sure. The other one that I want to show you is, where is it? This is a tricky one, inserting objects. So for this assignment, you'll also see that there's a spreadsheet or a workbook that's attached along with the Word document that I'm looking at right now. So you should be able to download this workbook from the same place that you got this Word document in Blackboard. And the whole idea here is to show you that you can work on a spreadsheet in Excel, and then you can actually insert it into a Word document. So what I'm going to do here, now this is a tricky one, I'm going to put my cursor where I want to insert my workbook, and then I will go to Insert here, and you should see this icon here. It looks like the little rectangle with the blue stripe on top. So this is for inserting objects, and I guess an Excel workbook is considered an object. But anyways, I'll click on this drop-down list here, and I'll choose Object. And then now here I could create a new Excel spreadsheet and insert a brand new blank one into my document here. But what I want to do is insert one that I've already created. So I'm going to click on this Create from File tab here. And then I'm going to browse to where I downloaded that cookies workbook, which is right here. And then, so I'll select that and choose Insert, and then click OK here. And it'll chug for a little bit, and you can see that I've inserted, it's showing me the top spreadsheet in that document. So kind of cool. You can link your Word document to your Excel document. Okay, and the final thing, the final problem on this assignment is inserting a table of contents. Now that can be a little bit tricky, so I thought I'd show you how to do it too. There's a trick to doing a table of contents. First of all, all your sections, so this document is broken up into sections. All your sections that you want to make up your table of contents have to be styled in a certain way. So what I need to do is I need to say that these section headers here are actually header styled as headers. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click to the left, and I'm holding the control key down. And I'm going to click to the left of all of these section headers. So I'm holding the control key down as I click, and now I'm scrolling up, and now I'm holding the control key down. So I'm selecting all of these headers here. Just going to do that for all of them. So as I said, before I click to the left of the header, I actually hold the control key down, and that allows me to select all of the headers. So that's, I think we know that holding the control key down in a Microsoft product usually allows you to do multiple selections. So I've selected all of my little subtitles here, or whatever you want to call them. And now what I need to do is go to the Home tab, and I need to style those as heading. I think you can do either heading 1 or heading 2, but I'll just do heading 1, and you might be able to even do subtitles. But now I've said that the style for all of these are heading 1s, and once I've got those styled that way, now I can go ahead and insert my table of contents. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my table of contents, I want it to be inserted right here. So I'm going to put the cursor at the spot. I'm near the top of the document. You usually have the table of contents near the top. I'm going to put my cursor in the spot where I want to insert my table of contents. And then I'm going to go to the References tab. And where's the button here? Table of Contents right here. And I can choose my style. So look at this. This will show all my heading 1s, and my heading 2s, if I was using them, would be indented a little bit, and then if I was using heading 3s, those would be indented a little bit more. I just have heading 1s, but anyways, you can kind of choose the style of your table of contents. I'll just go with something simple right here, and there you go. Now it inserted my table of contents based on all those lines of text that I have marked as headers. So that's the secret to doing a table of contents. All right, so I think this is running longer than I wanted it to, so we're going to leave it at that.